over here. Se te va acá, míralo ahí. Dame, yo le doy de comer. Look at their mouth. I want to zoom in on his mouth. Dum dum dum. Dum dum dum. Me mojaron. Que llega. No ven para acá. That'd be kind of funny if one jumped up there. Oh shit! Look at his mouth. Dum dum. You want some food, big mouth? You want some food, big mouth? Mira, está muerto. He looks dead. Mark, Mark, come here. Come here. Dennis, come here. Yum, yum, yum.
Take a look at
Spicy fish. Oh my god. They're kissing. Yeah, look at it. Jay says it's nasty that he doesn't want to watch it. Oh! He got water in my mouth.
What? Look at that one.
Ew, ¿qué es eso? That's a snake. That's a catfish. Wait, he went down under. He has whiskers, right? That's a catfish. Oh, he got water in my mouth. I'm all up in their mouth, Ma.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
That's amazing. I never seen no shit like that.
Fishies. Gulp, 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 gulp.
Look at the catfish. Look at the catfish.
Come here, big mouth. Yummy. Op, op, op. Ooh, gotcha. Op, op, op. Oh man, I missed his mouth.
Oh my God, you're fighting.
Yup, yup. Hey, bro, you wet my camera. Ay, se metió.
Throw him like out there. Watch how they like swim real fast to try to get him.
All right.
What is that?
I missed. I got a lot in the boat. Se fueron el patito. The duck got scared. He's like, fuck this.
That's amazing. I'm sorry.
I wonder if they drink Sprite.
No.
Throw it far like how you said, Mark. Throw it far like how you said.
What? No, they already came in. They were out there.
They look stuck. They look like they can't even move. Throw a whole bunch. I want to see him fight. Mira, he's on top of everybody.
And then throw the rest of them. They fight. They're playing. Oh my god.
Off. Damn, they go fast too.
Look at the small ones.
Look at his lips. Ay.
That's the fat one. That one's been there.
He sneezed. He went.
It's got some on his head.
Look at their mouths. Off. They look like suction cups.
No more. Look how many I had.
That's a good dinner right here.
This is for the Rasta.
This would be a good dinner. They're greedy. Look how they beg.
Watch out, Papa. Stop right there. Okay, stop the video.
You see that fat one?